Prep and Prosper here, guys. Wanted to go over a quick video, and it kind of ties into our scripture, and it was really good that my wife actually helped me to but to study. But Proverbs 15:1 talks about harsh words, and responses to harsh words can cause either a certain reaction. So one of the things in property management that we have to remember is how we say things. When we're in our leasing office, when we answer the phone calls, when we're seeing individuals come into our office, oftentimes we can lose or gain a lead based on our attitude and how we speak to individuals. People would like to be spoken to professionally and also as an adult. So you just want to make sure that you're treating people with respect. So a lot of times when I'm going around to these leasing agents and the properties, I'm noticing a trend and a pattern is that people, I do understand that most individuals may have a bad day or you may not like your job. However, this is a job that does require communication with individuals in the public. So part of being a leasing agent or in the field of property management is our job is to fill the units and answer questions. So it's with our current residents and it's with new residents that we're hoping to get. It's how we say things. A word or a sale, anybody that's in marketing or sales will tell you certain words will determine if you get the sale or not. So part of it is, remember, as leasing agents or in this field, I know it may be frustrating, but we do have to remember it's how we say things. And if you are somebody, if you're having a bad day, step away. If you're having a bad day, take a quick break, ask somebody to step in for you. But we want to remember that our job is to have good customer service, and that part of customer service is that we have to be here for it. The owner has given us a job, has tasked us with the financial responsibility of managing his property. So we want to do due diligence and be fiscally responsible. So as property managers, we also have to remember it's how we say things. Prep and prosper. Do your thing. Hope you guys get your units leased up this week. Thank you guys. Let's go. Follow me also Thursday, tomorrow night. We're going to be going live, and I'm going to show you guys an example of why it's important for us to be on site. And I know with COVID, we all want to work from home, but I'm going to show you Thursday, we're going to talk about why it's important to be on site. Tune in Thursday night, 7 p.m. Central Time. Prep and Prosper. Let's go.